Hello friends, my name is Jackie and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm showing you my African lady themed cake. The cake flavor is sweet potato and the frosting is cream cheese frosting. Around the edge of the cake, which I did in brown cream cheese frosting, I used tip 1M. And for her hair, I used tip 18. And I did those in rosette circular motions. The face, eyes, and lips are made out of fondant. And her little tiara also. Isn't she beautiful? Thanks for watching. I'll be showing you another video of my next cake. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video where you can do it yourself. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know how you like this video. I appreciate you. Until next time, bye-bye friends.